presents The Sound of Pride. The Sound of Pride is the premier marching and musical ensemble at Edgewood High School. Our 2023 UIL program is entitled Dragon Hunt, featuring the music of Randall Standridge. Our story begins with our noble heroes and how they are faced with protecting the village from the dragon. Soon, our heroes go into the forest to help save the village, with a battle to follow. We feature saxophone soloist Austin Falk, trombone soloist Shay Salazar, and our percussion section. Each week, a student is selected as Student of the Week. This week, that honor goes to Abigail Pointer and Kingston Ellis. Drum majors for the band are senior Eli Mims and junior Zoe Pippin. Ladies and gentlemen, the new look, the new sound, the Sound of Pride. Let's give it up for our Bulldog Fight Song. The Sound of Pride would like to thank the Edgewood ISD administration, school board, band boosters, and band students for all that they do for our students. The color guard instructor is Hannah Torres. Band directors are Tony Dorsey and Richard Burt. Let's go Bulldogs!